Get good gut health. In order to aid with digestion and nutrition absorption, we need a mix of good and bad bacteria. Here are 12 foods that are packed with probiotics that can help improve your healthy gut bacteria. Remember these items the next time you are at the grocery store. Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, kombucha, green peas, brined olives, miso, tempeh, sourdough bread, dark chocolate. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.